everyone, so let's make colorful things for colorful festival. So first step of making any clay thing is kneading. After kneading, I will roll my clay with the help of lid. And if you don't have this kind of lid, no problem, try anything else. For example, you can use small diary to roll it out, okay? Now I will cut this into small pieces. Make sure that every pieces are in same size. Now turn these pieces into ball and take a brush and do exactly the same way as I am doing in the video. And if you don't have any brush, try to use any pencil. Now use your finger and try to give a round shape. So here we are making small food bowls. Wait, let me show you the process again. Take a ball of clay, use brush to give a shape as I am doing in the video. And remember, here I am moving my brush, not my hand. Now again, use your hand to give a ball shape. Hey, don't you think this is looking like that earth clay potteries? And do you know in India some people still use clay utensils? And here I am putting some colorful clay into this bowl to make it look like that it is filled with holy colors. H-O-L-I holy, not H-O-L-Y holy. Here I am making only 4. You can even make more than 4. After filling all the colors, let's move to plate making. So for making plate, I am using brown clay. Turn your clay into ball, use a brush or you can even use pen and roll it as we roll our roti. And people who don't know about roti, it is an Indian staple food. And now cut it into a perfect round shape. And please be cautious, ask your parents to help you while you are cutting. Because if you are underage, scissors might hurt you. And if not help, at least ask them to guide you. You might be thinking why I am making this plate, right? So the reason for making this plate is to keep lot of sweets into it. Because any Indian festivals don't start without having sweets. See how cool it looks. Now I will keep my plate aside and with the remaining brown clay, I will add black clay to make that chocolatey brown color. Again roll the clay and cut it into small pieces. It is not cutting properly in the video because the clay has been dried out. So drying process takes place when you keep your clay exposed longer in the open air. And then I will make small balls out of it. Here our gulab jamuns are ready. Let's make the cutlery. Using the same method, I will make little sweet bowls. And for giving shape, I will use my pinky finger. See, it's already looking so cute, right? Now add all your gulab jamuns in it. Actually, I already made another sweet bowl. And now it's time to make some new sweets. And again, make different size of small balls. And I am just randomly making it. I don't know what is this sweet called. To give that realistic look, I will add yellow clay to it to make that look like it is a saffron. And you know, saffron is used in many Indian sweets. And now it is time to make our third sweet, which is really popular in India. It's called burfi. To make our burfi, I mixed yellow and white clay together so that we can get that authentic burfi shade. And with the help of my fingertips, I am giving that burfi shape. I don't know why in video it is looking little darker, but in actual it is really lighter shade. So for our last sweet, I mixed green and white together. And now I will put hole into this and add orange color into it. And remember, press this carefully so that it can't come out. And repeat the same process with the other ones. Now fill all the sweets into the bowl. And one more thing, if you want to learn all this in one-to-one classes, please call the number which is showing in the video. And even you can book your free demo class. And now it's time for arrangement. Let's arrange all the sweets. See how tasty and cute it looks. And now for arranging our colors, I am making a place for it. And here is the final look. Happy Holi to you and your family. Thank you so much. That is it for today. Bye.